Hello guys, so this is the second video on Pumilio, and in this video we will focus on the first life forms on Pumilio, the microbes. Now let's start. This is the heterotroph microbe. The heterotroph microbe lived in a time where there was no algae to eat, and so they became cannibals. There were a few species of heterotroph microbes in the primordial soup. Other heterotrophs. You can see those little circles over there are the instructions of what instincts to have and what to eat. These are species of heterotroph microbes, and they all live in the primordial soup. This is a scavenger heterotroph. Diet dead heterotrophs. This is the apex heterotroph. Diet alive heterotrophs. This is a filterer heterotroph. There's cilia to push the food in the mouth. Over there. And diet food particles of dead heterotrophs. Now let's go on to the next page. Common ancestors. And now you must take note that all the common ancestors got outcompeted by their descendants. Although maybe some forms of these live in isolated hydrothermal vents, but there's not many of them. These are common ancestors. Let's start with the proto-heterotroph. This was the first life form, and unlike any other heterotroph, it only had 3 instructions: diet, food particles, and live heterotrophs. Mesocarnivore heterotroph. This heterotroph is a common ancestor of scavengers and apexes. Diet, small and weak heterotrophs, and dead heterotrophs. Sediment heterotroph. This heterotroph fed on heterotroph particles in the sediment. It was the common ancestor of filterer heterotrophs and scavenger heterotrophs. Diet particles embedded in the sediment. And here you can see the cladogram. This is the proto-heterotroph, and that's the filterer heterotroph, scavenger heterotroph, apex heterotroph, and this one is the new sphere heterotroph, which we'll get into later in the video. Proto-heterotroph. This was the first life... No, not that. I'm sorry, we already did that. The oval heterotroph. This was the common ancestor of apex heterotrophs and sphere heterotrophs. Diet juvenile heterotrophs. Let's go on to the next page. Oh, and these are the chemotroph microbes. For a few million years, heterotroph microbes were the dominant and only life forms. A few million years later, a group of heterotrophs found a way to make their own food by absorbing oxygen and making it into ammonia for energy. They had to widen their bodies to collect more oxygen. Pigment xanthophyll. Oxygen converted into ammonia, which equals glucose, which equals energy. And the pigment is xanthophyll, which is basically yellow or orange, sometimes orange. Species of chemotroph microbes. Small and long chemotroph. Diet oxygen converted into ammonia to glucose and energy. Tall but huge chemotroph. Diet the same as small chemotroph. Now, this is a revolutionary technique. 1,473 million years ago. 1,473 million years ago, the chemotrophs evolved from a group of heterotrophs. This was big news, as heterotroph microbes didn't need to be cannibals. The new and improved herbivorous heterotroph microbe evolved, and in turn, the apex heterotroph more often ate them. The herbivorous heterotroph evolved from a population of apex heterotrophs that ate chemotroph microbes. Species of herbivorous heterotrophs. Micron. Herbivorous heterotroph. You can see it has a chemotroph in its belly. Now let's go on to the next page. We will get into this in the next episode. So for now, we'll do this. More microbes. Sphere heterotrophs. Sphere heterotrophs are a phylum of heterotroph microbes. They evolved from their elongated shape to faster and efficiently reproduce. As a result, they have become very diverse. Diet: herbivorous heterotrophs and chemotrophs. Phylum: sphere heterotrophs. Classes: apex spheres. You can see it eating another sphere, probably a herbivorous sphere. Diet: live sphere heterotroph sphere getting eaten by an apex sphere. Herbivorous spheres. Diet: chemotrophs. Omnivorous spheres. Diet: chemotroph microbes on heterotrophs and sphere heterotrophs. Now let's get into phototroph microbes. Phototroph microbes were a group of chemotrophs that evolved to take advantage of their bright star. So they became phototrophs and take in carbon dioxide and light and excrete oxygen. Other name: microscopic algae/algae. Species of phototroph microbes. Surface phototroph. Diet: light converted into ammonia equals glucose equals energy, as ammonia is the main source of energy for living things on Pumilio. Habitat: surface of the ocean, as by the name surface phototroph. Tide pool phototroph. Habitat: coast, and tide pool, as told by the name. Diet: same as surface phototroph. Now we will get into multicellularity in the next episode. So I guess see you in the next episode. Bye.